We want justice. 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 దోషులను వెంటనే శిక్షించాలి. దోషులను వెంటనే శిక్షించాలి. దోషులను వెంటనే శిక్షించాలి. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. Justice. We want justice. 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 Justice.
జరిగినటువంటి వైద్య విద్యార్థిని హత్యకు నిరసనగా తెలంగాణ నిర్మల్ జిల్లా ప్రైవేట్ టీచర్స్ యూనియన్ అసోసియేషన్ తరఫున మేమందరం
she is participating in the protest, who actually her work is to protect the people of the Kolkata, but still she is participating in the protest which against to the culprits whoever did this all. But actually we are not understanding the how she is participated. She is the complete having the authority to take in charge against to the culprits, but still she is participating, and we are completely demanding the even judiciary also has to change of our constitution. Why? Because as we know that in Arab countries, whenever there is a rape attempt, whatever happening against the women, they are directly killing in front of the people. So like these of the laws we should implement in our India also to protect our girls. This is not about the issue of one person, it is the issue of all women. No only women